Hi, this is Electronics. In this video series I will present you and introduce you how to use one of the best freeware circuit simulation software, the RT-Spice. But first let's talk about this software. It is very useful in learning electronics, designing new circuits, testing them, and all these are for free. You can find the download link in the description. This software was produced by Linear Technology and the latest version is 17, but I will stick with the version 4. In this video I will show you how to start a new project and what are the most used hotkeys. To start a new schematic, just press this button or the Ctrl+N key combination. This is the working window. Here you will make the new schematic for your circuit. To place a component you just have to click this button or press F2. First I will just place a voltage source. After placing it, just press the right click. To set up the parameters of the voltage source, press right click again on the component. At the DC value I set 5 volts. We are going to explore the advanced settings in the next video. Now we just stick with the simple DC voltage source. The next component is the resistor. To place it, you just have to click this button or press R. Before placing, if you want to rotate the component, just press this button or Ctrl+R key combination. To place a capacitor, just click on its symbol or press C. Now that the components are placed, we can connect them together. Just click on the wire symbol or press F3 and you can start drawing the wires. Last but not least, the ground should be placed or the circuit won't work. To place the ground, just click on the symbol or press G. Now that every component is placed, the value of the components must be set. This can be done by right-clicking on them. If this is done, the last step is to set up the simulation command. You just have to click Simulate and then Edit Simulation command. Here I set the stop time to 100 milliseconds and also tick the Start External DC Supply Voltage at 0 volt. Now the circuit simulation must be run. Just click Simulation, Run and click on the wire between the resistor and the capacitor. You can see how the voltage rises. That's enough to learn for the start. You can now save the circuit. Here are the most used hotkeys list. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you want to see more videos like this and don't forget to subscribe.